Sam Elira here, your favorite Maryland attorney. Look, I wanted to come on here and address this Diddy and Cassie lawsuit that has just recently settled for a hefty $30 million out here. Now, look, I know a lot of you guys might be thinking, look, he settled so quickly, he's guilty, he's guilty. Look, it's actually normal for lawsuits to settle before it goes to trial for a number of reasons. The first, you may be right. The gentleman, Diddy, may very well be guilty. Or he may be smart. Why I say that? You have to understand, so many people is saying Diddy did him wrong. He owes them money. Diddy is also involved in serious allegations of murder. The gentleman that just is charged for the murder of Tupac Shakur. He called P. Diddy's name out. P. Diddy may not want to open Pandora's box, because when you file a complaint against somebody, you have the court subpoena power. You can subpoena bank records, business records, text. Let's talk about the complaint and the contents. I read it, 35 pages. I read it so that you don't have to read it. Okay, let me summarize the complaint in short. It says, well, Cassie Ventura met P. Diddy. They were involved, well, she was lured into some sort of romantic relationship. He took advantage of her. After the relationship ensued, he starts raping her. He starts sex trafficking her. And obviously he was controlled completely in terms of her business and her, whatever she had going on. It was some sort of discrimination. It was hostile work environment. And because of that, she's harmed, and she wants to be made whole, and she wants to be compensated. That's the lawsuit. Okay? Now, a few things I want to point out. One, it's in federal court, not circuit court. Now, I read the complaint that says that Cassie, both P. Diddy resides in the same state, which is California. So she could have sued him in California circuit court, but she brought it in federal court. And there's a number of reasons why you could bring a case in federal court. One of which I want to address is diversity jurisdiction, meaning one party is a citizen of one state, another party is a citizen of the other state. Why and the money that you're asking for has to be in excess above $75,000. In this case, although P. Diddy and Cassie is a resident of California, she's also suing affiliates of the companies of P. Diddy who is in different states, New York, Massachusetts. And they did something to her that has contact in California, so that's another reason why you can bring something in federal court. Okay, you have defendants in different states. But what's more specific is the federal sex trafficking charge. It raises a federal question, so you can sue somebody in federal court because of it. She's asking for injunctive relief, the complaint says. What is injunctive relief? Well, you're asking the court to stop this person from doing something, or you're asking the court to make this person do something. And then it's asking for declaratory judgment. And typically you're asking the court, hey, make a statement on my behalf, whether it's declaring my rights or this party's right in this contract or whatever it is. You're asking the court to do something for you or say something on your behalf, okay? I want to also address the elephant in the room. These are egregious, serious allegations. Rape, federal sex trafficking. Now, although this is a civil suit, which is the burden of proof is beyond the preponderance of the evidence, will P. Diddy be prosecuted criminally? Can he? The answer is yes. Although Cassie didn't file a criminal charge against P. Diddy, Puff Daddy, the prosecution, the state prosecutor can still pick this case up. They can still pick it up, investigate, and still bring charges against P. Diddy. And to be honest with you, I suggest that they do, because these are very serious allegations, and I think they will. I will not be surprised if in a few months or so, P. Diddy is charged criminally and prosecuted to the full extent as a result of these allegations.